Today on Grassroots Maker, we're going to make some Light Up My Little Ponies. A while ago, I laser cut a bunch of My Little Pony outlines for my daughter's wall to mount up on there. And the intention was that they would keep the outside pretty plain, and then on the other side, we would have addressable LEDs and a microcontroller so that we could light them up, especially on the tail and the mane, and then switch them on with Alexa. So I've got a little microcontroller on there, which has got a dual Arduino and ESP module on there, and the intent was that we'd be able to work it with Amazon Alexa. Unfortunately, I didn't bother doing anything about it, and there's a whole stack of them up here ready to go. Forgive the wiring. So today I'm going to try and finish this project. Giving them a recoat of paint because they've been hanging about quite a long time, so looking at me in with spots and horrible brown stuff on it. It's a nice fresh coat of paint. To get them onto the wall, I decided to design a 3D printed bracket. It needed to have two halves so that once they're on the wall they can be removed for debugging or fixing. And to aid in installation, I keyed them so that they wouldn't rotate. Well, that works. Look at how good a fit it is. Only one problem, it's a bit tight. In fact, it's so tight it doesn't come out anymore. So now I redesigned it with a little bit more tolerance. There we go. Trying to do this on camera, one-handed. There we go. So one on the pony, one on the wall, all the way around. Wall, pony, and we have ourselves a removable latch. To connect the ESP8266 to Alexa, I used FOMO, link in the description. And to work with the NeoPixels, I used Adafruit's NeoPixel library. First test before I button up the wiring on the right side. Turn the ponies on. Oh, yes. Pony party mode.
Wake up, ponies.
Do you like it?
Pony party mode.
What's happened?
That when it's someone's birthday?
Yeah, you can do it, yeah.
Night night, ponies. I'll turn them off.
It should do. Ding, 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 ding. Dum. I hope they turned out really, really well. The final customer's happy. I'm pretty happy. See you on the next one.